National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, east central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over La Vergne, Oregon, 14 miles northwest of Murfreesboro.
That's me.
Yeah. 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Vergne, Nolensville, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Belinda City, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, Percy Priest Lake, and Gladeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Take a peek.